Hello everyone! Today I'm taking you to the beautiful T&Tfamily Land of Angels Waterfall Park, a hidden gem surrounded by lush green forests and stunning waterfalls. Join us as we explore the breathtaking scenery, enjoy the peaceful sound of nature, and take in the fresh mountain air. One of the highlights of our visit was meeting and feeding the adorable rabbits and baby goats, which made the experience even more special and fun. If you love nature, waterfalls, and cute animals, you're going to enjoy this adventure. Let's go explore the magical land of Angels Waterfall Park together. It's still recording, right? You want to try to take one right now and see how it looks? Now you gotta take one through the heart.
to pronounce things. Right?
Yeah?
Go ahead.
I don't want to.
Yeah, here, let me. Oh, unless you want to go sit there. Go sit there.
It's okay there.
Oh, it's so pretty though. Very nice. Yeah, I can smell the goats.
Oh, it's a rabbit in here.
You want to go feed it?
I want to see the goats.
Oh, there it is.
Do I never touch my lipstick?
No.
I feel like I ate it all. It's like, I think
Oh, you can feed this one if you want. It's only 20 bucks.
okay, yeah, for these pictures, I want this one? Oh, okay, I got it. Don't look around, don't look around.
I'll go inside. Hi, goats. Ooh! Oh my goodness, he's following you.
Wait, my skirt.
I don't know. I don't know how to get into your camera.
Okay, wait, I got it.
Don't eat my skirt, please. Don't eat my skirt. No.
You're just gonna have them all over me.
You're supposed to stand up so they can keep them.
That's not move.
I've done this wrong evidently. Right, last one. There you go. I'm done. That's it. Yeah, that's it.
I've got some new. I was scared. I got swarmed and
I'm gonna go outside. Can I just have a photo with what? These are nice ones.
you want to see me?
No, to go to the table over there.
Nice. Oh, it's okay. Oh, look.
YouTube.
Don't steal that. Look, there, what's that?
He's so calm.
Can I have one? I'm gonna.
Wanna act like Snow White? Look at me. Put it on your lap.
I can't. They're too scary.
Where's the cafe?
I don't know.